In this video, we are going to test the density between water and oil. A quick definition of density is how thick something is, but not really how thick something is. If it has less dense, that means it has less pressure. So this water has more pressure than oil. Now, you would think that oil would sink to the bottom because it's heavier. But no, it doesn't. And it's because it is less dense, it has less pressure. So it's going to float to the top because there's not as much pressure. So to do that, we're going to do an experiment real quick. Just to get like a really exact measure, what we're going to do is we're going to take some of this and zoom in real quick. And we're going to put 50 milliliters in there. Alright. It's about 50. See? Oh, that might have made it to 75, but we'll just go to 75 for both. Now we're just going to want to dump it in this glass. I'm going to pour the oil in first just to show you how interesting this is. Now we're going to want to do the same for the water. So I'm going to have to go to 75% actually. Make sure that's 75. Actually, it's a little bit over, but oh well. Just have to. Let's make it perfect. Now, isn't that interesting? Even though we poured the oil in first, it still went to the top. Now, I wonder if it would stay that in that form, even if we were to pour it into a different container. And that is exactly what this is for. Alright, so here it goes. I'm going to pour it slowly. Okay. Now, as you can see, there is a lot of bubbles over here. Lots of bubbles on the top. It's really cool. Maybe a little bit of that. But even though we poured it into a different container, you wouldn't really be able to tell, except for the bubbles, which that looks very cool. And if you really want to show that oil has a sense, just really want to show, I got one more test. Okay. See how it went in a little bit faster when I hit the water?
What was that? What?
A penny.
Just
And so, yeah, we got the penny in there. And if you kind of come up here, you'll notice that if you get outside of you, you'll actually notice a little bubble over the penny. Kind of, it looks like. It's like a little dome. Almost. But, yeah. It's an interesting experiment. And, you guys could try it at home if you want. And just keep checking out our blog and figure out more stuff about this.